Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels Roadkill Rotsun 240z. So early in the year, we saw this rusted old 240z. The guys at Roadkill took this 240z and turned it into this Rotsun. So let's open this up and take a good look at the car. So on the card it says Motor Trend and Roadkill, Rotsun, and it has all these car parts just crossed out. I'll read what it says right here on the turntable, and then also just shows the car and then Roadkill and Motor Trend again. So subscription to Motor Trend, this car, and this one were all $50 and were sold earlier in the year. So you can see all the rusted paint. It's all black and then gray. It says Roadkill. And pretty cool wheels. They're different rims too. Then here's the engine. It has really good detail. See the red. I'm not sure what these things are called that stick out of the engine, but you guys can tell me in the comments below. It says Rotsun. This side, it's basically the same thing. Then here's the backlights. It looks really cool. This has a metal base and rubber wheels, but then compared to this one, it easily beats it. But they added so much more detail on the left one, so it just looks so much better. The wheels just look a lot better. And then they also added different paint. You can see in different spots, there's different paint textures. After a 2-year break from working on this 240z, Motor Trend's Roadkill geared up with the return of the most demanding project yet. The Rotsun 71 Datsun 240z now have a 5.0 V8 junkyard turbo and hater pipe exhaust. The guys have had more experience with this powerful beast than any other car, but they know the payoff will be worth it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this 2020 Roadkill Rotsun 240z.